Hey guys, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make slime. Well, it's a guide of how to make slime. The way to make slime is you get flour, you put some water in it, and not too much water because the slime it won't be slimy and then it'll be all you know how it doesn't supposed to be. But you get flour, water, then you need some herbal oil. The herbal oil will come in a perm. Like if you perm your hair, it should come in your perm, and it'll say herbal oil, HERBAL or OL, herbal oil, and it'll make the slime just go around, and it won't be sticking to your bowl. And then the next thing, and then after you do that, you add any type of food coloring in your stuff, and then put it in either if you put in the freezer, put it in the freezer for 2 to 3 to 5 or 2 to 4 minutes. If you put in the refrigerator, it'll be 5 to 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes. But if you want your slime to be real slimy, then you will have to wait for like 2 or 3 days. But this is a guide of how to do your slime. Subscribe to my channel for Super Kids. Yes, that is my channel. So hope you like this, you guys. And I'm going to be showing you guys some of my slime. So this is my slime. It is still not right, but you see that is the flour and water. And you can put either you guys, you can put either polish remover, it don't matter, but I didn't use polish remover, or you can put some liquid hair mousse in there, and like it'll make your stuff stiff like that. But yeah, and you can put eye drops in it because the eye drops has chemicals in it. So yeah, and then you will have to wait 2 or 3 days. Put in the refrigerator, let it sit, and then wait 2 or 3 more days, and then yeah. So I got it. See now, this right here, it will not come off. It's still like sticky slime. So let me see about this. See this right here, it's slimy. It's real slime because I let it sit out. Oh, not that. Woo. But yeah, so you guys, I'm going to show you my slime. So you guys, make sure if your mom does not like you to use her bowls, make sure you either like a bowl that she don't use with a top on it, and or buy your own container so she won't act the flip about it. Like, see, that is my container, so yeah, and she doesn't use that, that's why I have it. But yeah, and I'm going to be posting more videos about slime. So yeah, and really, if you just make it out of flour and water, it'll be you just keep making it out of flour and water, add a whole bunch of flour and a little bit of water, then you stir it around, it'll be Play-Doh. So, hope you guys like my video. Thanks, you guys. But subscribe to my channel, and I will be posting some musicals. And if you watch my video, do my challenge. The challenge is, can you do a heel stretch? That I can do a better heel stretch, but yeah. So, like I said, my slime. Ooh. Ooh. And you see, it's not sticking to the bowl as much because I use herbal oil. But the herbal oil will wear off if you don't put it in the fridge. If you just keep it in the fridge for a long, long time, then slime will be, slime where like you can play with it and stuff. So I'm going to go put mine in the fridge. So this is cool. Ooh. Ooh. More slime tutorials. Hope you guys like. Now the ingredients for my slime tutorial: flour. The first ingredient is flour. The next ingredient is water. The next ingredient is herbal oil that comes in perms. The next ingredient is liquid mousse, a container and something to stir it with, and leave it in the fridge for about, if you want it to be in the fridge, you have to put it in the fridge for 5 to 10 minutes. If it's in the freezer, 2 to 4 minutes. And if you don't want to wait, if you don't want your slime to be there shortly, you want it to be long before you play with it, you will leave it out for 2 or 3 days. So, see you later, guys.